Hey folks, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 9-volt battery connector from an old disused 9-volt batteries. And as you can see, this is a mirror image of the very thing it came out of if you just flip it. So it makes a great battery connector. So in order to get this, you need to tear this open. And you use a pair of pliers and pincers to carefully rip off the casing. And then you solder your new wires. So you're going to solder your negative onto here and your positive onto here. I'm going to use a different battery. I'm going to use this Kroger battery. And it's basically the same thing. So first off, just lift up the edges like this. All around the edges. Make sure you don't short out the terminals when you're doing this, because the battery, if it's still got any charge in it, can get really hot. Just rip all around it. There it is. Now this metal ribbon here, just cut it with your pliers, like that. And then there's another metal ribbon here that's covered over in a layer of paper or cardboard, and you can cut that just like with some pincers. First, let's strip off some of the paper from this terminal here. To do that, I'm just going to use a cutter and just lift off the paper. There it is. So I've exposed some of the metal underneath the paper, and I can solder onto that piece of metal there. The next thing to do is add a little hot glue, just to make sure it's well insulated. So here are the completed battery holders. This method comes in really useful, especially if you have a project that you've just about completed, and the last step is to add the 9-volt battery, and it turns out that you don't have any of the 9-volt battery connectors. So this one, I was able to make this using that quick mod of adding a homemade 9-volt battery connector. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.